Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I'm going to share this journal with you. I believe it's a folio. I haven't looked at it for quite a while, but I want to put it on my Etsy. So we'll have to go through it together, but I know it was a file folder and it's got the 1/2 inch spine and a sewed in signature. And then here I just have the elastic, and that just goes over the little post and will hold it shut. Here is a leaf that came out of my yard, and so I think I closed it with, I don't know, wax paper or something like that, and then I put a netting over that just to keep it from, falling apart. And so here's the inside. I haven't looked at this for the last year. I made it last year at the very end of fall, and then it wasn't listed in time, I don't think. So there's a journal card in here. This beautiful lady here. I'm trying to think what kit this was. I looked for it online on my playlist. I couldn't find it because I wanted to see if I had named it or not. So here's some vintage ledger paper. Can't think. And then here's a little paper clip, altered paper clip. I hope Hobby Lobby has these little leaves again this year to pick some of those up. This is just one of those little tags. I don't remember making them, but we just put the eyelets in it to close it, and then it just fits on the edge of a page like so. And it's pretty, stays in there pretty well. And then this is a envelope, and here's a journal card in there. This is really a pretty kit. I like this papers. And then we have this little closure there with the butterfly. Okay, and then journal space here to write in. Here we have another little paper clip. This is a altered paper clip, and I put some fabric on this one. I thought that was kind of neat. And this holds on this folded paper here that you could journal inside. And or you can put tags in there or something like that. And that was just sitting on top of this page here. Okay, journal space there. Whoops, I got 2 pages this time. Okay, and there's part of the kit that I used, and more journaling space. Another journaling page, and here we have a little pocket with the tag, which is cute. And this is vintage, a vintage date book. I just took the pages out for August, and that was a little flip on there that I added to the scarecrow page. And this is paper, school paper, writing. Another little tag here. These are kind of nice tags. Doesn't look like I inked it very much. Looking at my old work. I think, yeah, here's another one here on this side. And some straw paper. These are all coffee dyed papers. Here's a little writing pocket thing. This is so you could just write on there a little bit. Then it has 2 journal cards on each side. There's another one on this side. So cute. this. And a little another note spot. And look at this little guy. My friend was on the phone with me, and she has, what do you call it, a birdseed thing out in front of her window. And the squirrel was up there eating it, and then it kept looking at her through the window because she has this great big glass pane window, and she says, go away, you're scaring me. I guess his eyes were just like glaring at her like he was going to jump at her any time. I said, well, if he does, he'll find out there's a glass wall there. This is another little journal card thing we made, a little pocket here. I think there's a couple cards in there. A little butterfly card. And then this has got some little tickets in that one. And another little journal card in here. And let's shut that down. I thought that was so cute when I made that. More coffee dyed papers. Another journal card. I'm trying to think what who this was, because it had such cute little characters in it. Oh, good. It's getting caught on every side. And then this one here, page. And then we have a journal card back here. Most of these are sewed around. This is pocket. This is a little circle. I can't think of whose it is. I want to say it's Joey Cardmaker's. It might be some of his, but not all of it. More journaling space. Owl. Here's a vintage postcard. I thought it looked really fall, and it's Boulder Dam from Elks Point, and that's in Nevada. No, yes. Well, I've been over it. I'm pretty sure it's in Nevada. Yeah, Colorado River, but that runs through. Yes, Boulder City, Nevada. Gosh, almost forgot. Here's another postcard, vintage George Washington Hotel, which I kind of thought looked nice with the vintage, with the fall colors. So you can use that any way you want. You can write on it. Ledger paper. Here we have, I think, okay, let's see. Here's a journal card in here. And I want to, feels like something else. Okay. Here is a flip up card, and it's got a bunch of little things in it. Little journal cards. A crow. That was kind of cool. And then this opens up here. And I love this verse here. And this tree. I love that tree. And this is the one I put this little piece of paper here to hold down all of these little journaling cards that I put staggered in like a waterfall. And I just staggered them so you could see them all. And then I wanted them to stay closed, so I just did that. I put that little tag there to stuff it in. Then over here we have, let's see, 2 pockets here with journal cards in here. Lots of journaling spaces, lots of cards. It's hard to lift those little papers up. There we go. So there's that, and then this closes, and this closes, and then this is the back page, and this is like a little spine on this side. So yeah, and then we'll just wrap that around there, And it comes around here. Okay. So I'm going to be listing this, and I hope somebody would like to have it at home, or as a nice gift. Maybe, you know, somebody that would love this for a birthday or just anything. So that's it, you guys. I'll, like I said, I'll list it on my Etsy shop. It's called So Primitive. And I will put the link in there so you can go straight to it. Okay? And I think it'll be around, I don't know, $45. I have to see how much the shipping is. If it's not very much, I can include the shipping. But if it's, you know, very expensive, usually what I do, if it's like $10 shipping, I will split it with you. 5 for you and 5 for me. Okay? So thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.